Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, we will try to learn about division command. How we can use the division command in Siemens PLC S7-300. So let's go to the topic. I will open my Schematic Manager software and here we will add division command from the integer section. This is last command. These three commands already I explained in previous videos, and now we will choose this one, division integer. You can choose also this is division double integer or this division integer same, but this is difference only between this is the 16-bit data and this is the 32-bit data. Because of your long value like to be choose write or read, so you have to be use these datas, these commands, double integer division, or if you did only just 16-bit data, you can use this division integer. Same this all. So I will take one this division command, and in the cross I will put one close contact, and we will give any address 124.0 an example 0 an example, and here we will take the md10 for example, and here we can choose md15, and in result we will take in md20. So this we will download to the PLC, and let's check an example. Here is I write 55 for example, and I need to divide by 11 for example. So you can see the answer is 5. And if you for example this is like to divide by 5 for example, and you can see this answer is 11. Basically this division command is look like a calculator. You can use in just program anywhere. You can use this value, for example raw value coming from analog, counters, timers, whatever this field value when you take, after you can give this value and which number you like to be multiply or divide this number. For example this is modify, also this we will be modify, for example 80 value I will take, and we like to be divide by 5. You can see the answer is 16. Or for example you like to be divide by 2 for example, so how much the answer, you can see the 40. And in this in between this one, if you like to be number of points, yani if you need floating point, this is the decimal values, and if you like to use the floating point values, so what you will be do, you have to be change this one division command. You can just go to this floating point section, same as this all division, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, this all you can find here. Also division, addition double integer, subtraction double integer, same this all, same you can find it here. And addition or for example subtraction or multiplication or division, if you like to see in the um, uh, division, so you can change this block and just go to the division, or you have to be right if you need floating point values. Same data, for example md10 we will choose, here we will choose md15, and here we can choose md20, and write to PLC and divide real and go to monitor. And as per seen, this is this -1 showing, because why this is minus showing, here we have to be use this data for in double word real. For example, 255.89 is value I like to be uh, divide by modify 34.89, any value you can be write it here. And just this is go to and change this floating point number. After you can see the floating point values, you can see 255.89 and you like to divide by 24.89, and this answer you will be get. And you like to verify this answer, you can just go to the calculator and also you can write it in the calculator. 255.89 divide by 24.89, and you can see 10.280 is the answer. Same as if you like to be change this value also, go to modify, for example 25.5 I like to be divide, so this answer you will be get. Same again we will check 255.89 divide by 25.5 and check 10.0349 look like value will be shown. Same like as a calculator, if you like to use the floating point numbers, you can choose from this section floating point uh, section, and if you need just only round figures, you can choose this integer function from. And this all commands, I hope guys you will be understand about this command division command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section and I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.